Every morning, I wake up next to a woman who loves me deeply, but I never loved her back. My name is Marcus. I am 36 years old. My wife's name is Grace. We live in a nice house. I have a good job. I have a good car. Everyone thinks we are happy. But I have a terrible secret. I never loved Grace. She is a good woman. She is kind. She is beautiful. She loves me very much. I see it in her eyes every day. Every morning she wakes up early. She makes breakfast for me. The coffee is always hot. She smiles and says, "Good morning, Marcus." I smile back. But my smile is not real. My heart feels empty. She prepares my lunch and puts a small note inside. It says, "Have a great day. I love you." I read it every day, and every day I feel more guilty. I am not a bad person, but I live a lie. 5 years ago, my life collapsed. My parents died in a car accident. A drunk driver hit their car. They were gone in one night. After that, I stopped living. I stopped eating. I stopped talking. My apartment stayed dark. I sat alone for days. That is when I met Grace. She was a volunteer at a community center for people who lost someone, people like me. She sat next to me and said, "You don't have to talk. I'm here." She came back every day. Sometimes we said nothing. Slowly, I opened up. I told her about my parents. I told her I wanted to disappear. She listened. She did not judge me. One day, she shared her story. She lost her fiancé to cancer. She said, "We survive by helping others." Her words gave me hope. She helped me find therapy. She helped me go back to work. She helped me live again. She saved my life. I felt deep gratitude. I wanted to give her something back. I thought this feeling was love. I was wrong. One evening by the lake, I asked her to marry me. She cried with happiness. We got married. I thought love would come later. It never did. Now my life looks perfect again, but inside I feel trapped. Her love is a beautiful cage, and my gratitude is the lock. Last month was our anniversary. She cooked dinner. She lit candles. She smiled like this life was everything she dreamed of. I smiled back, but inside I felt nothing. A few weeks later, I got sick. I stayed in bed for days. Grace took care of me. She never left my side. She was the perfect wife. My guilt became unbearable. She believes we have a perfect life. She does not see the lie around us. Last night, she cooked my favorite meal. She put flowers on the table. She held my hand tightly. She said, "Our life is so good. We have everything." I nodded. Then she squeezed my hand and smiled. She said, "I think we are ready now. Let's have a baby." I couldn't breathe. A child would seal the lie forever. I looked at her face full of hope, dreaming of a family built on something false. I couldn't do it. She deserves real love. A child deserves truth. In that moment, I knew the performance was over. A painful truth is better than a beautiful lie. I looked at her smile. My whole body was shaking. I opened my mouth, but my voice almost failed me. "Grace, I need to tell you something. Thank you for listening to this story. If you liked it, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to Story Reading in English channel. Your support helps more stories reach people like you. With every story, our English gets better and our hearts get stronger.